A day starts like any other day. The unknown. Will I come home with reward? Or will something come along to totally stuff my day? I'm no stranger to big tree work. It's very exciting and very dangerous. Shortly after I first started tree work back in 2009, I had this horrible accident, resulting in me nearly losing my left leg.
Yeah, look, I need an ambulance, Buckland Church.
Oh, my fucking leg's fucked. As time has gone on, I've enjoyed recreational climbing in some of Tassie's giants, and unfortunately, some of the big trees have to go. Don't be mistaken, people. It is very dangerous to live under or around these big trees. So we're just going to cross over to the other job that we had going on this particular day. It's extremely difficult to climb 10 metres out from the trunk of a tree above power lines when you haven't got a rope above your head, a safety line. So at this point, you actually have to rely wholly on your flip lines to balance out this far. Below me I've got Matty Ferguson on the rigging ropes. He's using a porter wrap, and that's the way that we get these limb tips away from the power lines. It's crazy work, very hard to balance like this. So the Powerline clearance for Cunningham Holdings was finished. Big job, big work. It's time to pack up the bus and get back to the job that we started the day at. This job was undertaken near the convict settlement called Port Arthur, Tasmania. So we thought it would seem fit to use old colonial rake. Hey. If you got it, use it.